Hey guys, this is for those of you that don't make it to Zoom today. You really do need to try to make it to Zoom. There's important information, good interaction for you to have, and to make sure you're caught up on your work, because I always review whether or not you're caught up on your work before you leave. So one thing today, double check that you have gone into announcements. Make sure you watch the announcement and read the announcement. Make sure that you are always starting on the first page of the module before you can unlock anything else. So some of you are telling me things are grayed out, you can't click on them. You've got to follow directions. The directions are to start on the very first page of the module, then click next to get to the next one. So for this week, you must start with the week 3 learning objectives and key vocabulary to unlock today's work. If you can't click on it, it's because you need to go back and view the thing before and then hit next. I emailed everybody progress for grades over the weekend, a grade sheet from my self-serve or Teams gradebook to both you and your parents. So you need to make sure you reviewed that. I also sent every single person an individual Canvas inbox message. You need to be checking your inbox and make sure you're getting back to me with work that you are turning in late. It is up to you to tell me that you turned it in. I'm not going to go looking for it. We have a test Thursday over the levels of organization and the cell theory. You had lots of things to practice last week on that. You had a slideshow. You're going to be able to see that again and practice more this week before you take that major test on Thursday. You also have those Quizlet flashcards that you should be practicing at least 5 minutes a day. In order to be counted present today, you have to do today's daily assignment, Stations Day 2, by 11:59 today. So make sure you go into modules. Today we started off with a 10-question Nearpod review, so I'll post a Nearpod for you to do with this video so that you don't miss out on what we did on Zoom. Again, make sure you are checking in on the announcements. Make sure you're checking your student self-serve. Here's those Quizlet cards I told you about. Lots of different ways for you to study. To start today's work, you must click on week 3 learning objectives and vocabulary. Do not try to come straight to Monday's assignment. That's why some of you are messing up and then telling me after waiting a week that you don't know how to click on something or get something to work, because you have to go in order. So start with the week 3 learning objectives and vocabulary. Read through that, and then you're going to make sure you click next. You'll get to today's daily instructions, and it says apply what you know to complete the science stations day 2 activity. Says we have a test Thursday over the levels of organization and cell theory, so you need to be studying. I'm going to click next. Today's Stations Day 2 activity. I'm going to give you some hints, so you might want to get a pencil and paper ready. So you're going to go down here. You have a summarized station that just is a set of notes you can refer back to. For the navigate, you have a riddle to solve, but you got to put these letters in the correct order to solve the riddle. I gave you a hint. The first blank of the first word is J, and the first blank of the second word is D. And then there is some punctuation at the end that you have to figure out. So again, I would get a piece of paper right now and be following along with me so you know what to do. So you're going to look at the start card, which is right here. And the first letter I told you was J, so you should have already written down the letter J. A group of tissues that work together to perform a specific function. So you got to think, when tissues work together, what do they form? We should be to where we know this vocabulary by now. They form an organ. So look at the letter here, U. So you should now have the letters J-U written down. Then you're going to come down here. The arrangement of living things from simplest to most complex. So I got to go find the card that has that answer. So we've been studying simple to most complex are the levels of organization. So I'm going to put an S. So I should have the letters J-U-S written down. Then I'm going to look here. Cells are the basic unit of life. All living things are made of one or more cells, and all cells come from other living cells. So I think to myself, those are the 3 parts of the cell theory. So I go up here, and there's a T. So now I have the first word, J-U-S-T. The first word is just. Then I look down here, a living thing, or a living individual that can reproduce, grow, and maintain homeostasis. I told you that the first word of the next letter is D, which organism here, D. So now you need to figure out the rest of the second word by starting here, the scientist who is credited with the discovery of the cell. So after you've jotted down your words, you're going to come and type your answer in here. It says make sure you use all capital letters in your answer, and remember it is 2 words and there is there is punctuation at the end of the riddle as well. So the riddle says, one cell said to another, I don't know how to multiply. The other cell said, it's easy, just blank, because we already did the first word together. Then you have 10 challenge questions. Each one is either true or false. Then you're going to answer the extend question. Since the first discovery of the cell, how have advancements in technology changed the way scientists are able to study cells? So you're going to think about what we know about microscopes from early on when you watched about the history of the cell theory until today and technology advancements. How has that helped us study cells? The next questions are student reflection questions. So in your own opinion about your understanding of what we've been studying the last week, getting ready for the test, which concept do you understand the best? Make sure you explain. Which concept are you struggling with the most? Explain. And don't tell me you know everything. There's got to be something that you can still work on. What steps do you need to take in order to improve your understanding? What are you going to do so you make a 100 on the test on Friday? Then you're going to rate yourself from a 0 to a 10 on how well you think you understand the concepts we've been doing on the levels of organization and the cell theory. So it says be completely honest. Are you at a 0? You're still completely confused? 10, you totally get it? Or are you somewhere in between? When you're done, you're going to hit submit, and I'm going to find out your responses. When you hit the next button, I've put in, this is just for studying purposes. You were supposed to do a Pear Deck slideshow last week where you viewed this and answered questions as you went. So this is just there for you to review again. Click through the slides, test your information on what you know about levels of organization and the cell theory. So again, that's your assignment for today, is to make sure you've done Stations Day 2, gone through those slides, and make sure you have it done by 11:59 tonight. I'll also, like I said, put that little 10 question Nearpod. You can test yourself and how much you know right now. Message me if you have any questions. Get those grades turned in if you have any missing work. Check your Canvas inbox, check my announcements, and reach out to me if you have any questions. Have a great day.